Patch, Grandpa says that trains don't go up that mountain. But
what, Lily?
I'm sure I heard one last night.
So it's not just me. You see, Lily, I've heard it too. Lots of times. But if we've both heard it...
Then why not Grandpa too? There's nothing wrong with this hearing.
I've always wanted to go this way. We're following some shadowy lines I've seen on a map. They're like railroad tracks without any rails.
These are like the lights I saw in the city. No one noticed them but me.
Lily, I'm going to the store. I'll meet you back here in time for sunset.
Thanks. Junior?
Pesto! I've given up on seeing you again. What's blue, green, red and goes beep, beep?
A parrot, and he means chirp, chirp.
Nah, trains, talking trains. And I'm off to see them right now on the island of Sodaran, cousin. But I overslept and I'm in a little hurry. Do you want to come?
Can we be back here by sunset?
I hope so. I want to get back to the beach.
What do you think, Mutt? Okay.
Good. It's this way. We'll take the shortcut.
Really?
But there's two of us. Oh well. That means I'll have to use Cuz's extra supply of gold dust. Oh, it doesn't matter. We'll have plenty more soon.
Can I take this little bit back for Grandpa?
Be my guest. I'll take care of it for you. Ready? Here goes.
You've grown bigger.
Maybe you're smaller. I'm just adjusting properly to my new surroundings. It's the only place that ever happens to me. Whoa! A bit bouncy, isn't it?
Where are we?
Conductor's Railroad.
Magic Railroad?
Whatever. We're traveling miles and miles to the island. But I don't know if this railroad's going to last much longer. It'll vanish like the engine.
What engine?
The engine that used to travel on this railroad. Cousin and I never saw it. We don't know what happened to it. You ready, Lily? Here are the buffers. Hey, what's that doing there? Ready? Now!
Where are we?
The island of Soda, of course. This way.
What's the matter?
I think I'm allergic to grass.
It's a good thing I like climbing things. What's that noise?
The trains, I told you they talk. Just too far away to hear what they're saying.